Okay, we have Truman cell, one of Oreck's 3 different Truman cells. That's for different models of the air purifiers. This particular Truman cell is for the model AirTB. It's the tower unit, which has the electronic cleaning, not to be mistaken with the other tower Oreck unit, which has a HEPA filter and no electronic cleaning. Okay, so the benefit with the electronic is you just clean it. There's no HEPA filters you need to replace. The wires last for years. HEPA filters you need to replace every 6 months to a year, spending, anywhere between $30 to $60. So the wires eventually do wear away and go bad. So we have a set of wires here. They're very tiny with a copper crimp on each end. And I'll start with this end just to show you the connector here is spring loaded. Okay, so in the connector there's like a slit along the top, goes down about 1/8 of an inch. You put the wire through the slot there, and the crimped end holds it in place. So right there is a tiny slot. There's 4 slots there. The other end of the Truman cell has a similar type of slot, a little bit larger, and it has indentation in the plastic housing which holds the crimped end in place so it can't go through. So it's a very simple. The best way I find is to put it in this end first, then switch around the other end to the other end here, and holding the wire with your fingers, you can push in the little spring-loaded piece of metal here, place the wire over it so it goes into the slot there, and once it's in the slot it's held in place because the crimp cannot go through the slot. This first wire is all ready. It's in there, hard to see, but it's nice and tight, ready to go. So now we just got 3 more to go. This unit comes with 3 spots for the wires. The other 2 wires, you would probably have to remove this little clamp here that locks it into the machine. It's just one Phillips head screw. You screw it out. So that way you have access to these other 2 slots for the wires. The wires are available in a package of 4. They've been discontinued for a while, but now they're back on the market. Made in the USA here with globally sourced parts, but they are available, and it's a good machine. Many of them last for years and years. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We also have videos for the other Truman cells, and we also have available the wires for the other models of Truman cells. Okay, to wrap things up, I'd just like to say we're a small business and appreciate any help you can provide us. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope it helped you out. Once again, I'll repeat myself. There are 3 different Truman cells with different size wires, and they fit differently. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. Give us thumbs up that you like it. Subscribe to find out more buy quick fixes, not just air purifiers, but other small appliances and around the house issues. Thanks for your support. See you next time.